How to select the right kind of workspace for your business. It's a crucial decision that can impact your productivity, creativity, and even your bottom line. So let's break it down step by step. Imagine you're just starting your own business. Maybe you're an aspiring entrepreneur with a brilliant idea, or perhaps you've been dreaming of turning your passion into a profitable venture. Either way, the first question you'll face is where to set up shop. For many new businesses, the journey begins at home. It's the most convenient and cost-effective option, especially in today's digital age. You might start small, working from your kitchen table or spare bedroom. Or, if you're lucky, you might have a garage or shed that can double as your workspace. Working from home offers a myriad of benefits. First and foremost, it eliminates the need for a daily commute, saving you time, money, and stress. No more rushing to catch the train or sitting in traffic jams. Instead, you can roll out of bed and start working in your pajamas if you want. Flexibility is another major advantage of working from home. You can set your own hours, working early in the morning or late at night to accommodate your personal schedule. Need to pick up your kids from school or run errands during the day? No problem. You're the boss, so you can adjust your work hours accordingly. Plus, there's the cost savings. By working from home, you can say goodbye to expensive office rent, utility bills, and commuting expenses. Your kitchen becomes your cafeteria, and your coffee machine is always within arm's reach. Not to mention, you'll have more time to spend with your family and pets. However, working from home isn't without its challenges. It can be difficult to separate your work life from your personal life when your office is just a few steps away. Your laptop beckons you from every room, making it hard to disconnect and unwind after a long day of work. And let's not forget about the potential distractions of home life. Barking dogs, crying babies, or noisy neighbors can disrupt your concentration. Moreover, there's the issue of professionalism. While working from home is increasingly common, some clients may still perceive a home-based business as less credible than one with a dedicated office space. Having a prestigious business address can make a difference when it comes to impressing clients and winning contracts. As your business grows, you may find yourself craving a more structured work environment. That's where shared workspaces come into play. These co-working spaces offer a middle ground between the isolation of home and the formality of a traditional office. Shared workspaces provide all the amenities of a modern office: high-speed internet, printing facilities, meeting rooms, without the hassle of long-term leases or hefty overhead costs. You can rent a desk or a private office on a flexible basis, paying only for the space and services you need. One of the biggest advantages of shared workspaces is the sense of community they foster. You'll be surrounded by like-minded entrepreneurs and freelancers, providing ample opportunities for networking, collaboration, and mutual support. Need feedback on your latest project or advice on scaling your business? Just strike up a conversation with your fellow co-workers over a cup of coffee in the communal kitchen. However, shared workspaces aren't without their drawbacks. Commuting to and from the office can eat into your precious time and energy, especially if you live far away from the city center. And while the open-plan layout encourages interaction, it can also be noisy and distracting, making it difficult to focus on deep work or sensitive tasks. Moreover, shared workspaces come at a cost, both financial and cultural. While they're more affordable than traditional offices, they're still pricier than working from home. And if you're introverted or prefer solitude, you may find the constant buzz of activity overwhelming rather than invigorating. As your business continues to expand, you may eventually outgrow shared workspaces and crave a space of your own. That's where private offices come into play. Whether you're renting a small suite in a co-working building or leasing an entire floor in a commercial tower, Having a dedicated workspace can take your business to the next level. Privacy is perhaps the biggest advantage of private offices. You'll have complete control over your environment, free from the distractions and interruptions of shared spaces. Need to make a confidential phone call or host a client meeting? You can do so without worrying about prying eyes or nosy coworkers. Moreover, a private office lends your business a sense of professionalism and credibility. Having a prestigious address can impress clients and investors, signaling that you're serious about your work and committed to success. Plus, it provides a physical space for your team to gather, collaborate, and brainstorm ideas, fostering a sense of camaraderie and unity. However, private offices come with their own set of challenges. First and foremost, there's the cost. Renting office space, especially in prime locations, can be prohibitively expensive, eating into your profit margins and cash flow. Plus, there's the added expense of furnishing and outfitting your office with desks, chairs, and equipment. Then there's the issue of isolation. While private offices offer privacy and solitude, they can also be lonely and isolating, especially if you're used to the hustle and bustle of a shared workspace. Networking becomes more challenging when you're confined to your own four walls, making it harder to forge connections and build relationships with other professionals. If you're on a tight budget or prefer the flexibility of remote work, a virtual office might be the perfect solution for your business. Virtual offices provide many of the benefits of a traditional office: a professional business address, mail handling services, and on-demand meeting rooms, without the need for a physical space. With a virtual office, you can work from anywhere in the world while still projecting a professional image to clients and customers. Need to meet with a client in person or host a team meeting? Just book a conference room at your nearest co-working space or business center. It's convenient, cost-effective, and hassle-free. However, virtual offices have their limitations. While they offer a sense of professionalism, they lack the physical presence and camaraderie of a traditional office. Building rapport with clients and colleagues becomes more challenging when you're interacting through phone calls and emails rather than face-to-face meetings. Moreover, virtual offices may not be suitable for businesses that require a physical workspace, such as retail stores or manufacturing facilities. If you need storage space for inventory or equipment, you'll have to look elsewhere, whether it's renting a warehouse or leasing a commercial storefront. So, in conclusion, choosing the right workspace for your business is a deeply personal decision that depends on a variety of factors, including your budget, preferences, and growth trajectory. Whether you're starting from scratch or expanding an existing venture, weigh the pros and cons of each option carefully before making a decision. After all, your workspace is more than just a place to work. It's the foundation upon which your business will thrive and grow. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Watch more videos by clicking on this video right over here.